So we took Dad's Regal to a car show, and that's coming up next. So we took Dad's Regal to the Hotrods For Hope car show that happens every year. And we ran into a few little issues and had to improvise there. And that's, anyway, here's the footage. You know something weird about that one?
What?
You'll see it when you get in the front here. I've never seen anybody do that.
Oh, wheels. Hi, guys.
Hi, Amy.
It's got big wheels.
Well, let's film the Corvette first. It's on there. Got the names on them.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Okay, Amy.
It's got big tires.
Yeah. It's a good looking Dodge.
What matches inside? Hey, some of them will inside. I like brown cars.
Here's an El Camino, Amy.
Yeah.
It's an 80.
Yep. Who's got one? See you, fellas.
See you now.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That's a beautiful. It's got Crown Vic suspension on it. Oh, well, just pack it, baby. What's that base called?
I thought you saw that's on the he run the body shop at one big
I didn't understand.
That's the end of it. It's the dent side Ford up there. Sounds pretty good. It's got a 4.6 in it. So we've got a problem with this thing. Back brakes are locking up, so we're letting it cool off. We're gonna try to drive it over to a parts store and get a new rubber line, or cut it and clamp it off one so we can get it home, and then we'll order them, whatever we got to do. So we'll limp it to wherever we got to. If not, my friend Bo's here with his brown truck, said we could drive over there and get us over there. Yeah, so if we can't get it to move itself, we'll get Bo to haul us over there, or drive his truck over there, one of the two, just long enough to get some stuff, just enough to get it where we can get this back brake loose. Things happen. It had never acted up before, but it's set for the winter, and I guess it's collapsed. That's why I like going to the stainless ones. So as I was saying, that's why I like to go to stainless lines on everything, like the steel braided lines, because they don't collapse, they don't wear out, they last forever. And these rubber ones over time will do that. So we just haven't done it on this car. We just got it together good enough to drive, so, but it hadn't been acting up, so. But it's also a 77 with original parts, so.
Yeah.
we stopped at O'Reilly's and I borrowed some pliers and a screw and bought some clamps and some tools off of them, and we cut the back brake line right now. We're gonna put stainless lines on it, or like the steel braided lines, the flexible ones, and all that. We made it here. We let it sit to cool off enough so we can move it. You know, once it cools off, you can move them like that. With the line, you couldn't even hardly get a screw in it. I had to set and twist it. But I put a sheet metal screw in it about that long and a couple clamps on it, and that'll hold us till we get home. And then, like I said, we're going to redo all the brakes on this car here, probably next weekend. So I got, if all the parts come in time, I'll put it up on the list and we'll take it all apart and run all new brake lines. But anyway, we've got a temporary fix to get us home here. All right, so we made it back with this thing. We had to do a real special type of jack. It's new technology, the way we jacked this car up. Total new, special. Only one, and by that mean we backed it up on a curb and I crawled under the thing. And what we did, we cut the brake line in half, the rubber one. We stuck a screw in it and we put 2 pipe clamps on it, and that held it till we got it home. We've ordered steel braided lines for it. You're gonna see a video on it real soon of us putting all new copper nickel lines with those steel braided. So this thing's gonna be able to stop so good it ain't funny. Real soon there'll be a video coming up as soon as those parts arrive. And but we made it home and all good. And unfortunately, Hotrods For Hope didn't have a huge turnout, but you know, it is a good cause, so we were glad we made it there and got all that done. And anyhow, you know, that's the video for this week. Been 2 car shows with 2 breakdowns, so we're having not the best luck. Well, the first one I made it, I just didn't really break down on it one. But this one we didn't really this one either. We made it home, but we've had to do a little limping methods there here for the past few days. But it is what it is. You know, that's part of owning these old cars and doing this stuff. Till you find every little thing on them that goes out of them, you know, it's when you get one, it's been sitting a long time. That's just part of it. Anyhow, that's the video for this week. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed seeing all the cool cars we did get to see and a little bit of footage we done. But until then, just keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, and keep rigging things up.